Let's cook grilled panga ng tuna. Welcome to our channel. Enjoy watching. Please subscribe. Let's marinate. Soy sauce, garlic, onion, ginger, chili flakes, black pepper, calamansi, and oyster sauce. Stir and mix. Layer the tuna. Add the sauce. Add the other slice and pour sauce. And the third slice and pour also sauce. Marinate for 2 to 3 hours. Let's cook. Heat the griller and grill the tuna panga for 10 minutes on one side. Cover to cook evenly. Flip on the other side and cook for another 10 minutes. Apply barbecue sauce on top of the tuna. Cover again to cook well. And here is our grilled tuna. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. Till our next video. Please subscribe.